Namaste. Let us move to the next problem. The balance sheet of Fino Company Limited as on 31st 3 2017 is as follows. They have given the liabilities. There is preference share capital 10 rupees each, equity share capital 5 rupees each, debentures and creditors. Here goodwill, land, machinery, tools, stock, debtors, cash, profit and loss account. On the above date, it was decided to reconstruct the company and the following scheme of reconstruction was agreed upon. So which are the changes they have made? First one, the creditors to accept 14% debentures to the extent of half of their dues and the balance to be paid after 6 months. So what they did? Creditors will accept debentures. Okay, we have to pay the creditors, but we are not paying in cash. We are giving them the debentures. How much? To the extent of half of their dues. What is the creditors value? 3 lakh. So we are going to give them half of that. That is 1,50,000. Okay. The next one. The preference shares to be reduced to the shares of rupees 5 each. 10 rupees was the share. Now it is reduced to 5 rupees. Equity shares reduced to the shares of rupee 1. So 5 rupees got reduced to 1. The debit balance of profit and loss account and goodwill to be written off. So we have to write it off. Profit and loss account and goodwill. Land to be reduced. Machinery and tools. These should be reduced. Write it off. Then RBD. Reserve for bad debts to the extent of 8,000. So there are debtors. Yes, there are debtors. So we have to reduce it. 8,000. Pass journal entries and reconstruct the balance sheet. It's always better if we start with the share capital. Okay, this settlement we can do later. Look at this. The preference shares to be reduced to shares of rupees 5 each. You have seen in the previous class. What did we do? Preference share capital 10 rupees 3 lakh. 2 reduced to preference share capital. How much? 5 each. Correct? So the journal entry will be preference share capital 3 lakh into 10. Sorry, 30,000 into 10. Rupees 3 lakh. To preference share capital. This is a new. Okay. Old one to new one. Rupees 5. 1,50,000. Whatever savings we got. That is, we saved the amount. That should be transferred to reconstruction account. So 1,50,000. Being the preference shares reduced to rupees 5 each. The next one, equity shares to be reduced to the shares of rupee 1 each. So initially 1 lakh shares, 1 lakh equity shares of rupees 5 each. Now we have to reduce it to rupee 1. So what would be the entry? Equity share capital account. So this is the old one in the balance sheet. 1 lakh into 5, 5 lakh. To equity share capital account, new one. 1 lakh into 1, 1 lakh. And remaining, how much we saved? 4 lakh. That should be transferred to reconstruction account. So after completing the shades, we'll see here. The creditors, understand it very clearly. The creditors to accept 14% debentures to the extent of half of their dues and the balance to be paid after 6 months. So first we are making the settlement for half of their dues. So debentures is 3 lakh, half is 1,50,000. So 1,50,000 we have to pay. How we are paying? We are giving them debentures. So debentures we are giving. So the journal entry, creditors account debtor, that is 3 lakh, half of that 1,50,000. This much we are going to settle to 14% debentures account 1,50,000, being 1/2 of the creditors settled for debentures. Okay, so we have saved so much of money. Now we have to make the settlement. See here, the debit balance of profit and loss account and goodwill to be written off. So profit and loss account 1,75,000 we have to write it off. Goodwill 2 lakh we have to write it off. Then land 79,000. Actually land value 4 lakh. we have to write off 79,000. So whatever balancing figure, that will be written in the new balance sheet. Okay, so land will be reduced, machinery by 40,000 and tools by 48,000. RBD, reserve for bad debts, 8,000. All these amount we have to settle. In a sense, we have to write it off. See here, reconstruction account. So how much we saved from equity share capital and preference share capital? 1,50,000 and 4 lakh. That you know, correct? Reconstruction account, we have this much of balance, 5,50,000. So we have to settle one by one. What they have given: profit and loss account, goodwill, machinery, tools, land, reserve for bad debts. Everything we have written here. So this you're clear, right? 5,50,000. How did we get it? See here, reconstruction account 1,50,000 we got from preference shares, plus here equity share reconstruction account we got 4 lakh. Correct. So we have to take it together, 4 lakh and 1,50,000. So we got 5,50,000. Okay. Now the balance sheet. You have to write it clearly. Okay. Balance sheet. Fine. So share capital. Here, as I said, what are the new adjustments we made, that we have to write. Okay, not old ones. Here, preference shares of rupees 5 each. So we have reduced, no? The same thing we have to write, 1,50,000. Then equity shares of rupees 1 each. So the new ones we are writing, 1 lakh. Then see here, this is very no important. Debentures, actually in the old balance sheet 2 lakh was there, but we have issued new debentures to creditors, correct? In order to settle their dues. How much we have given them? We have issued new debentures to the creditors worth rupees 1,50,000, correct? So 14% debentures 2 lakh plus debentures which are issued to the creditors, correct? 1,50,000. Total 3,50,000. So always, you know, in the double entry system, each transaction has gets two effects. The first one is debenture. We are issuing the debentures, so you have to add here, and from the debentures we have to deduct, because not debentures, from the creditors. Creditors value was 3 lakh and we have settled 1,50,000. Now at present we have only 1,50,000 worth creditors. Debentures at present we have 3,50,000. Clear? Okay. The next one, assets. Land, 3,21,000. How did we get this? See here, in the old balance sheet, land value is 4 lakh minus, we have write it off like worth 79,000. Correct? So 4 lakh minus 79,000, 3,21,000. The same procedure you have to do for all the assets. So machinery also. Old balance sheet minus written off amount. Tools, it is 52,000. Stock, 1 lakh. Debtors, minus RBD. Cash, no change as it is. So the balance sheet gets tallied. Hope I'm clear. So you better write down the problem and listen to the video, then you'll understand it. Thank you.